Hi guys, kwentuhan lang tayo patungkol dito sa sulat ng encouragement di umano ni VP Sara kay John Amores. So, kasi ako talaga malaki ang question mark sa akin dahil talagang confirm naman. Ang ganda nga Sara Duterte to John Amores. You have a friend from OVP. Sana all. Kaloka naman to. Ang sweet! Di ko carry bells. Ako, pinablish ng philstar.com yung sinabi ni Jan Amores, you have a friend from the office of the Vice President. Basketball player Jan Amores, who in November had an infamous rampage in an NCAA game against College of St. Benilde Blazers, shared in the Facebook posts on December 5, the letter he received from the Vice President Sara Duterte. It's my pleasure receiving this kind of gesture from our dearly VP Sara Duterte. Amores wrote, it was a great honor. Ma'am, thank you for some words of encouragement. Ipapa-frame ko ito as remembrance na sa dami ng bashers at negative critics, may isang tao na ipapaalala sa'yo na mahalaga ka kahit di mo kaano-ano. Alam mo kaya? Hindi ka kineri. Grabe, ang sweet. Mga langgam hulmigas, tabi-tabi. Grabe na this. But on a serious note, basahin natin ito. The Vice Presidential Seal of the Philippines is used to represent the Vice President's history and dignity. It is used in official functions and ceremonies. Official function and ceremonies. Naiintindihan ko naman na hindi naman talaga ang Vice Presidential Seal. Pero bakit datapuat magamak? Ginamit talaga. You have a friend from the OVP. Oh my God! Sana all. My dearly beloved, lovingly John Amores. Mag-ingat ka kasi dong. Tabi-tabi mga hulmigas, langgam. Mga mga gumagapang na mga nilalang, naglalambingan lang naman. But again, di ko kineri bells, pagka-sweet na ni BP. But mind you guys, may update ako dyan kung saan dinala ni John Amores. May part 2 ito, tabayanan.